Project templates in Asana standardize repeatable workflows, for example, onboarding, campaigns. Save any existing project as a template requires edit access. Templates include tasks, sections, descriptions, custom fields, and dependencies, but not assignees or dates. Steps: open an existing project, or create a blank one to build from scratch. Structure it fully. Add sections, for example, planning, execution. Create tasks and subtasks with descriptions, custom fields, rules. Set dependencies and milestones. Add project brief in overview. Click the three dots in the top right header. Select Save as Template. Name the template, like Client Onboarding V2, and add a description. Choose team or workspace to save it in. Click Save Template. Using the Template, plus, Create, Project, Templates tab, select yours, Use Template. New project copies structure, adjust dates and assignees.